Kamusta mga Pirata, Lian here, and today we are going to be testing the PGY-Tech Gopro Hero adapter for your handheld stabilizer. Basically, what we're gonna do today is we're going to test the various field of view modes for the GoPro and check which is the best field of view that you could use in conjunction with your handheld gimbal. So for this test specifically, I'm gonna just get the setup. Alright guys, for this test particularly, we are going to be using the GoPro Hero 5 Black, the PGY-Tech Adapter, and the Zhiyun Smooth-Q to stabilize our shots. Okay, so this is just a test. Don't judge my cinematic prowess because, you know, I'm still not that good at the cinematics thing. Anyways, this is purely for scientific purposes. Call it what you will. Anyways, we will be testing if this part of the... Okay, stop spinning. Spin back. Okay. We will test if this part of the Zhiyun Smooth-Q could be seen within the frame or the shot of the GoPro Hero 5, and we're gonna determine which type of field of view is usable for the GoPro Hero 5. Okay, let's do it guys. Okay, so right now we are going towards our destination where I am going to film our GoPro Hero PGY-Tech test shots with the adapter thingy. We are going to find a place where there are no security guards who are going to tell us that we're not allowed to film. I've already made this video like once in Country Club and they told me it wasn't allowed. I'll show some films here, probably blurred because they're not allowed to film there. Well, what happened was I already did the whole review and then some guard just, you know, went up to me and said, I'm sorry, you're not allowed to film here, you need a special permit or something from our admin. So yeah, that's what happened, and right now I'm going to reshoot that whole PGY-Tech experiment thingy. Okay, so this seems like a good spot. Almost zero people here. Alright guys, so pro tip for those of you who are living in Baguio, always put a calso underneath your wheel so that your car doesn't escape. I couldn't find a larger rock, so I think that rock will do. All of the footage I took with the GoPro Hero when mounted into this PGY-Tech adapter thing, and it seems like all of the field of views except the narrow part of the Zhiyun Smooth-Q could be seen within the shot. So yeah, that's a little issue with this adapter. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys a hack later. Alright guys, what you can see right here is the first field of view, which is the super view. So I really don't like this super view due to the barrel distortion it causes when things go near the edge. As you can see here, like a huge chunk of the Zhiyun Smooth-Q could be seen in the frame. I'm gonna do something later that's gonna make it vanish. I'll teach you that technique after I show you all of these field of views. Okay, now moving on to the second field of view. Alright guys, so this is the second field of view, as GoPro calls it, the wide. As you can see, I did that W sign. That's not a gang sign. That's W for wide. Anyways, as you can see here in the frame, a huge chunk of the Zhiyun Smooth-Q could be clearly seen in our frame. So this is one that I do not suggest you using. As you can see at the end of this video clip, I'm gonna use a magic technique that's gonna make that vanish. Boom, it's gone. Okay, so how did I do that? I'm gonna teach you that later. Probably said it already a million times that I have a secret technique. Anyways, moving on to the next clip. Okay guys, this is the third clip. So that wasn't a gang sign. That means 3 for the third clip, which is the medium field of view. So there's no improvement here. Huge chunk of the Zhiyun Smooth-Q could still be seen. Oh man, look at that mountain. It's awesome. And this is the fourth field of view, which is the linear field of view. Linear, which means all the lines that you are gonna take in your shot is gonna be straight. So while panning, the Zhiyun Smooth-Q pops in and out of frame. Still no improvement. Anyways, let's move on to the next one. This is the narrow field of view. This is the final and last field of view choice for your GoPro. Whoa, look at that cinematics, guys. Amazing. Anyways, getting back on topic. As you can see here in the video, part of the Zhiyun Smooth-Q could no longer be seen, so it totally vanished. No need to use the secret technique I am gonna teach you right now. One thing that I learned from this whole test that I did with this PGY-Tech adapter for the GoPro, all of the field of views for the GoPros except the last one, which is the narrow field of view, there's this issue where you could see this part of the Zhiyun Smooth-Q on the frame. So one hack that I've discovered, so to avoid getting this part of the Zhiyun Smooth-Q seen in the frame of the GoPro, all you have to do is hold it like so. Okay, so I call this technique the horizontal holding technique, patent pending by Lian. So every time you use this technique, you're gonna have to pay me 50 pesos. I think I should charge more, like 1,000 pesos. Okay, so every time you use this technique, guys, you're gonna have to pay me 1,000 pesos. All you have to do is to get this part out of the field of view of your GoPro. So in order to do that, you just hold it horizontally and voila, problem solved. Easy peasy, problem squeezy. I don't know where I was going with that rhyme. Anyways, guys, that was my PGY-Tech GoPro Hero adapter for your Zhiyun Smooth-Q or DJI Osmo handheld stabilizer thingamabob test shots. Anyways, I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe down below for more videos like this. And also leave some suggestions of what next thing I should do, because I'm running out of ideas what to buy and what to test. Anyways, that was my video, guys. I will see you guys on my next video. Flying. Got to use my right hand. Flying. Peace!